5 healthy weight loss tips. You are probably one of those that feel that you need either pills or some new and unique magic formula to help you lose your weight. Well, against your ideals, you can actually lose the weight by just using a common sense approach. There are generally 5 tips which you will be able to follow to reach your weight loss goals. If you follow these tips, you will see that you will be able to lose the weight both quickly and easy. 1. Count calories. This is the most important step of your whole overall weight loss program. Counting your calories and knowing what you are eating is a must-have for your weight loss. This creates a very simple and healthy formula for you to follow. If you take in fewer calories and burn off more calories instead, you will see your pounds drop off. Now, isn't that simple enough for you? Also, the more that you eat and the less you burn the calories, the more weight you will gain. So the opposite of this would be if you take in fewer calories and burn off more calories, you will lose the weight. See the difference? 2. Watch your portions. You should never eat any portion that is bigger than the palm of your hand. This will enable you to take in fewer calories and therefore lose weight. This is a very good golden rule for those that are looking for losing a lot of weight. Portion size is a very important part of your weight loss program. 3. Eating the right foods. This is another important part of a healthy weight loss program for you. This means you need to make sure you are eating plenty of fruits and vegetables, as these will help you in building up your metabolism. It will also help you burn calories faster while still maintaining a healthy weight loss. You also need to make sure you are also eating plenty of fiber and other roughage in order to lose the weight, while at the same time keeping your digestive system working correctly. 4. Drink plenty of fluids. Drinking plenty of fluids, especially water, will help you lose the pounds. Fluids are also filling and therefore will help you control your appetite. Fluids will also help your system get flushed out and stay clean. Water is one of the greatest ways to do this. You should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. 5. Stay healthy. Your body is going to need proteins such as nuts, fish, and chicken, among others. You need to try and stay with the healthier proteins, however, such as chicken or fish. If you follow these 5 simple tips, you will be well on your way to your weight loss goals. Hope you enjoyed this video. PLEASELIKESUBSCRIBESHAREOUR videos.